Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing a pair of adjustable rear coil delete control arms on my 2013 Nissan Maxima. So these are the control arms that I'll be installing. These are the Godspeed V1 adjustable rear coil delete control arms. Since I upgraded to the Rev 9 coilovers, I removed and discarded the original coil springs, and these will replace those old control arms. Now this is a pretty easy installation. There are a couple of things that we do need to pay attention to, and that's the camber bolts there, the alignment bolts. We need to make sure that we make marks on there to make sure they're back in their original spot when we install these control arms. It's really easy to screw up the alignment when doing a project like this. I'll also have helpful captions throughout the video, and also a link in the description below where you can get these control arms. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. All right, so this is what it looks like installed. Looks really clean without having the old control arm there. I mean, there used to be a spring once upon a time. Well, gang, that wraps up another project. All that's left to do now is to put the tires back on and schedule a rear alignment. And I'll have a link in the description below where you can get these rear coil delete control arms. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video and also following the Project Maxima series. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. I got a few more things around the corner, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.